Today, we're going to do a percent question that's pretty much guaranteed to be on the test. It's a percent change question. I'm going to show you how they work. I'm going to show you the fast way to do them, and then we'll do a few examples. Also, just for showing up today, I have a free gift for you. It's a 2-week crash course designed to raise your SAT score 50 points really fast. So if you're looking for a quick SAT score bump, this course is for you. You can sign up. It's completely free. You can find it right down there in the description. They just love percent change questions on the test. And the reason is the language around percent change can get a little confusing, and they love things that are confusing. For example, in English, percent change, percent more, percent less, percent increase or percent decrease, they all mean the exact same thing. In math, they all mean change over original. Or if you want to think of it as new minus old over old, that works too. They both get you to the exact same place. Let's take a look at an example. Cheryl, a talented soccer player, scored 16 goals in her freshman year in high school and 20 goals in her sophomore year. What was Cheryl's percent increase in goals scored from freshman to sophomore year? Okay, this is obviously a percent increase question, which means it's just going to be new minus old over old. So the new is the number of goals she scored sophomore year, that's 20, and old is the number of goals she scored freshman year, that's 16. So the entire formula is just 20 minus 16 over 16. We do some algebra, we find out that it is 1/4 or a 25% increase. Nice job. What I'd like you to do is now try this one on your own. Pause the video again, and if you run into trouble, just start the video and the steps will appear like magic. Now read carefully. This is not the same question you just did. Okay, take it away. Very nicely done.